Hi, this is Jeff Parker from Monolith Software, and today I'm meeting with Daryl Winfield, who is a customer of ours for about 5 years now. So, Daryl, first off, can you state your name and your title and what responsibilities you have?
My name is Daryl Winfield. I'm Vice President of Projects for a mid-level credit card acquiring company. In my capacity at that company, I pretty much do all the major IT initiatives within the company. Those include acquisition projects where we buy other acquirers, other portfolios need to be worked into our portfolio, into our systems, into our business processes. And in my current capacity, I've been running a program where we intend to replace our core data platform, our core processing system. It's very critical to the company. It's the biggest capital project the company's ever undertaken. And so in doing so, I'm going to be modernizing that platform and our data center.
So, when you say credit card acquiring, how does that relate to something the layman might understand?
Essentially, when you walk into a Home Depot or a Lowe's, you swipe that card, that transaction has to go somewhere before it goes out to Visa and MasterCard. It will come to an acquirer like us. We then read the card type as it's been swiped, and then we swipe it appropriately for authorization and return the approval or decline back to the merchant.
So, if I use my Visa, it's not necessarily going right to Visa, it's going to a middleman.
It never goes directly to Visa.
Gotcha.
The question is, how many hops does it take before it gets to Visa?
Gotcha. So, as I understand it, you guys went from a large mainframe-based application to a client-server-based application, rewrote the entire thing yourselves, right?
Right.
And you were responsible for making sure that thing came to fruition.
Exactly. Of course, we had options. There are companies that write this as their core business, like ACI and some others. For various reasons, the company decided to write their own software. Some of the downsides to dealing with guys like ACI are click charges and things like that, meaning they never get out of your pocket. You grow, the more transactions you run, the more money they make, sort of model. And our company was looking to expand internationally. They had a pretty aggressive growth schedule, and they didn't like the pricing model of a click charge where the margin just seems to never end. They wanted to be able to buy a product, license it, at least license the source code, and then we own it when it's done.